What's up, guys? I've got a quick video on 5 must-have tools for tile installation. Now, these tools aren't absolutely necessary, but they'll definitely make your life a lot easier for tile installation. So let's take a look at what we have here. All right, we'll first start with this tool here. This is a cross-line laser. This is for many applications. The majority of the time you'll use a laser like this for tile installation is for shower walls, making sure the back wall is lined up with the 2 side walls. This helps with installation. It speeds up time and it gives you more accuracy when installing tile for shower walls. It also helps with backsplashes as well. So you don't have any waves in your backsplash installation. Everything is nice, level, and straight, and they all line up together. There's 2 different kind of lasers. You've got your red cross-line laser, and you have a green cross-line laser. Now the green cross-line laser is much more clear. We'll show you on site the differences right now. Check it out. Now another must-have tool for tile installation is a cross-line laser. This helps with building showers. This helps with keeping your horizontal lines matching up on all 3 walls as well as your vertical lines. As you can see here, there's multiple options. Your red cross-line laser and your green cross-line laser. Now here are the 2 different lasers here. We've got a Johnson cross-line laser red on a tripod. The second kind or style is a green cross-line laser. Here we got a Dewalt 12-volt cross-line laser with a magnet. You install a screw or a nail and you just hang this anywhere on the wall and it pivots like so. But as you can see over here, guys, the significant difference in the laser lines when you're working with red versus green. You've got your Johnson right here. Here's your Johnson vertical and your Johnson horizontal line. You can compare this line right here, horizontal line versus the green horizontal line. You can tell the significant difference in brightness and clarity, especially when you're working in bright lit areas just like this. We've got a couple of can lights up here. We've got a window, you know, a big open area, a lot of light in this bathroom. So as you can see, the green pops a lot more than the red. Another thing to mention, this is on a tripod. This is as high as it can go. Doesn't have a magnet. You can't hang it on the wall. Also, it takes 3 AAA batteries. We burn through batteries so much. Once you get your hands on something like this, a 12-volt rechargeable cross-line laser with a green laser line, you will never go back to the old red laser battery-operated cross-line like the Johnson. But they both still serve a purpose. They help you follow your vertical lines and your horizontal lines of your shower to help with installation and help with accuracy. So there you guys have it. Again, another must-have tool for tile installation. Cross-line lasers. So there's one must-have tool for tile installation. Cross-line laser. The Dewalt can be hung from a wall with a nail or a screw, or you can install it on a tripod. Red cross-line laser, same thing. They help a lot. Now the second must-have tool for tile installation is a multi-tool. This is a Dewalt multi-tool. As you can see, this is a tile setter's multi-tool. You've got thin set all over it, but this serves many purposes. One purpose with this bit here is to cut down door casing, to slide your floor tile underneath the door casing when you go through transitions from one room to another. The second benefit of a multi-tool for tile installation is a bit like this. This clears out, set up, cured thin set so that you can insert a tile leveling system the following day, as you see here. All right, guys, so here it is. Your grout removal bit Here's the tricky part. Here is Grout Removal Bit. Now, you bought it, you try to use it. Unfortunately, the distance from this lip to the diamond is not deep enough to accept the clips. So what you do is simple. You have to modify this bit with a grinder and a cutoff wheel. Well, there you go. As you can see right here, this lip is cut off to give enough depth here in this grout removal bit to remove enough thinset to accept the depth of this clip spacer for a tile leveling system. So let me show you how this works. You can come closer. Insert your bit like that. Alright, so you've got your diamond bit here. Clear out space in order to accept this clip. Here we go. Take your clip, insert it into the cavity that you just created, and then continue setting. Now I know a lot of you guys are going to talk about a void under here. Once we start troweling some mud, we will fill that void with mud. You can mark it here with a pencil if you like. Fill the void with mud, insert the clip, and continue to set your tile. This tool and this bit saves us a lot of headache. Now the third must-have tool for tile installation is a small, compact tabletop saw. There's a lot of different tabletop tile saws out there. I've got numerous reviews on Ryobis, Rigids, Skills. We've chosen to go with the Porter cable. This one is amazing. You have a sliding tray. It's compact, it's portable, it's very lightweight. If you're working in a small area like a small bathroom and you don't want to have to set up a full-size, big, wet, messy 10-inch wet tile saw, you can set this little guy up within the bathroom, make the cuts within the bathroom. If you're installing like a subway ceramic tile for a shower, this is great for backsplashes as well. It's just simple, lightweight, compact, and definitely a must-have for tile installation. Now the fourth must-have tool for tile installation is a tile leveling system. This helps with large format tiles. Anything usually bigger than a 12-inch by 12-inch. This speeds up installation. It gives you a much more flatter, superior install, and you've got a lot to choose from. They all technically do the same thing. What we got here, we've got Raimondi's tile leveling system. It's a wedge system. We've got LevTech. This is our favorite right here. It's also a wedge and clip system. I mean, you've got Level Max by Rigid. This is a spin system. You have your base, your spindle cap. You've got Spin Doctor, same thing. A couple of Amazon tile leveling systems here. Pagrin, got a cap system here also. They all technically do the same thing. They give you a much more superior install for floors and for showers. Definitely a must for tile installation. Okay, now the fifth must-have tool for tile installation is a manual tile cutter. Now this thing is amazing. Tile cutters, manual tile cutters are amazing. Now keep in mind, when you're installing tile for a shower, the back wall, both sides of the back wall will be covered up by the side walls. So you don't need a full-size 10-inch wet tile saw to make cuts for the back wall of your shower. You can quickly snap and manual cut tile for the back wall of your shower with this. You can use this within the bathroom. It speeds up time. You can set this thing up within the bathroom. You can set it up outside of the bathroom. It's quick on setup. It saves you a lot of time for installing tile for the back wall of a shower. Now, when you're doing flooring installation, you got to keep in mind the perimeter of a floor will be covered up by baseboard. So you don't have to have perfectly clean cuts around the perimeter of a room using a 10-inch wet saw. The perimeter of the room will be covered up again by baseboard. So you can use this for flooring rather than setting up a big full-size wet 10-inch tile saw that gets messy. You can have this within the room, snap cut all your tiles and install them quickly. So the fifth must-have tool for tile installation is a manual tile cutter. Here's some clips of this thing in action. So what we have here are 24-inch large format tile we're installing. Now the benefit of this is simple. You don't have to make every single cut with a wet saw. For instance, this back vanity wall here, we're going to use a manual tile cutter to cut and install the tile here. It allows you to make quick cuts. Down here you can see you have a scoring wheel, score, snap, and install, just like this. Now as you can see, it cuts and snaps fairly clean. I mean, would you look at that? All right, let's try some diagonal cuts here. Adjust it to 45 degrees. Line it up on your mark right there and cut. Well, there you guys have it. The 5 must-have tools for tile installation. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Thank you for watching, and as usual, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.